Hey everyone, welcome to the video. In Visual Latin Chapter 4, Lesson 4, we start talking about the nominative forms of nouns, and we start talking about the singular and plural of nouns. Now don't worry about what nominative means just yet, we'll get to that, and definitely don't worry about what genitive, dative, and accusative and ablative mean. You can ignore that for now. Right now, so that means, by the way, you can ignore all of this stuff on all of these charts. So don't let this overwhelm you. The only thing we're focusing on right now are these top two words in each box. So when we're talking about nouns, we already established that there are masculine, feminine, and neuter nouns in Latin. We've already talked about the fact that there are singular nouns, of course. In every language there are singular. By the way, everything on the left side is singular, and everything on the right side is plural. So, we have equus over here, which is a horse, in Latin, and if we want to make it plural, we change the US to an I, and it becomes equi. Equi is horses. So basically in lesson 4, we're just talking about how to form the plurals of Latin nouns. Equus becomes equi. Via, meaning road or street or way, becomes viae over here. We have this I ending, A-E over here. Via becomes viae. All right, donum, meaning gift, becomes dona, meaning gifts. So, all that red looks a little confusing to me. Let's get rid of it. Remember, we're just focusing on these two at the top. So we have equus, horse, equi, horses, via, road, viae, roads. By the way, some people are going to say via, road, viae, roads. Different pronunciation. There's different pronunciations of Latin, just like there's different pronunciations of English. There's British pronunciation, the Canadian pronunciation, there is the Australian pronunciation, there is the American pronunciation, and even that, there are many pronunciations inside the American pronunciation. There's Southern American, Southern United States, they pronounce English one way, the Northern United States pronounces English another way, Northeast pronounces it one way, the West pronounces it another way. There's all kinds of different pronunciations with English. So it's not weird that there are multiple pronunciations for Latin. So some people will say via, some people will say via, some people will say vi, some people will say viae. Donum is gift and dona is gifts. So to form the plural of the masculine nouns, we're going to change the US to an I. To form the plural of the feminine nouns, we're going to change the A here to an AE. And to form the plural of the neuter nouns, we're going to change the UM to A. And that is what Chapter 4 in Visual Latin is all about. Thanks for watching.